Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best travel accessories and gadgets that are available on the market for their true quality. These are must-haves for frequent flyers, road trippers, and weekend adventurers alike. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Clear Shoe Bags for Travel by Koidia. These shoe bags are an incredibly practical addition to your travel essentials. Measuring 15.7 by 11.8 inches, they're spacious enough to fit anything from sneakers to hiking boots. The pack includes 5 bags, making it a fantastic option for both solo travelers and families. The translucent design saves you the hassle of opening each bag to find the right pair. And its premium PE material ensures that the bags are waterproof and reusable. Perfect for keeping dirt and scuffs away from your clothes, these bags are a lifesaver when you're packing in a hurry. The build quality here is excellent for what you're paying. The thick drawstrings feel durable and make the bags easy to hang or carry. Whether you're heading to the gym or embarking on a long-haul adventure, these shoe bags provide quick organization and practicality. They're also multifunctional. You can use them as laundry bags, toiletry organizers, or packing cubes for smaller items. On the downside, the translucent design may not be ideal for those who prioritize privacy, and the thinness of the material, while decent, might not hold up against heavy wear and tear. However, for the price and the convenience, these shoe bags are a solid pick, especially for organized travelers who want to keep their luggage clean and tidy. Coming in at number 4 is the 16-pack silicone bottle cover by SkyConcer. If you've ever experienced the frustration of leaky toiletries ruining your luggage, this product is for you. These elastic silicone sleeves are an innovative solution designed to wrap around your shampoo, conditioner, or body wash bottles to prevent leaks during transit. Made from high-quality silicone, these sleeves are both durable and reusable, making them a sustainable choice for frequent travelers. What sets these bottle covers apart is their versatility. They can stretch to fit most standard-sized liquid containers and shrink back to their original shape when not in use. The pack comes with 16 sleeves in 4 vibrant colors, so you can easily assign specific colors to different family members or products. They're especially handy for cruises, where luggage needs to be tightly packed, or for air travel, where pressure changes can cause bottles to leak. However, it's worth noting that these sleeves aren't compatible with pump-top bottles, which could limit their use for some travelers. While they're not a flashy gadget, they're incredibly functional and can save you a lot of hassle. If you're looking for a simple way to keep your luggage clean and leak-free, these silicone bottle covers are a no-brainer. At number 3, we have the Electronics Accessories Organizer Pouch Bag by KODKDK. This travel organizer is a game-changer for anyone tired of untangling cables and hunting for SD cards at the bottom of their bag. The pouch is made from waterproof, shockproof material and features a well-padded interior to ensure your gadgets stay safe from scratches and accidental drops. Its compact dimensions of 7.48 by 4.33 by 2.16 inches make it easy to slip into your backpack or carry-on. The 2-compartment design is thoughtfully laid out to store a variety of items, from power banks and chargers to hard drives and USB cables. The external belt adds an extra layer of portability, making it convenient to carry around. Whether you're a business traveler or a tech enthusiast, this pouch keeps your gadgets organized and protected. While the build quality is excellent, the size might be a bit restrictive for those carrying bulkier electronics. Additionally, it's more suited for smaller accessory management rather than larger devices. Still, with its combination of durability, practicality, and affordable pricing, this pouch is a must-have for travelers who value organization. At number 2, we've got the Paralogix Universal In-Flight Airplane Phone Holder Mount. If you love watching movies or working on your phone during flights, this gadget is a must-have. It features dual 360-degree rotation joints, allowing you to position your phone at the perfect viewing angle, whether you prefer portrait or landscape mode. The strong clamp securely attaches to airplane tray tables, luggage handles, or even gym equipment, making it versatile for multiple scenarios beyond just flying. The holder is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including larger models like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, though thicker cases might pose a challenge. Despite its compact and lightweight design, the build quality is solid, and it folds down to a pocket-sized accessory that's incredibly easy to pack. With over 21,000 positive reviews, its reputation speaks for itself. On the downside, the clamp may not fit thicker surfaces, and compatibility issues with some bulkier phone cases could be frustrating. However, its adjustability, portability, and user-friendly design make it a fantastic investment for frequent travelers. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or taking hands-free video calls on the go, this phone holder delivers excellent performance. Finally, at number 1, we have the Listen Airplane Travel Phone Holder. This premium gadget is an absolute standout, engineered for travelers who demand versatility and reliability. Featuring a military-grade dual-spring grip, the holder locks onto tray tables, luggage handles, and desks with unmatched stability. It's even certified to stay secure during turbulence, making it an ideal choice for long-haul flights. Plus, the 360-degree rotation allows you to adjust your phone to the perfect viewing angle in seconds. The Listen holder is MagSafe compatible, working seamlessly with iPhone models from the 12 to the 16 series. It also comes with a free adapter ring, ensuring compatibility with non-MagSafe cases. The portability-focused design allows you to snap it into place quickly, making it perfect for cramped spaces like airplane tray tables. As a bonus, it doubles as a selfie stick and is a favorite among content creators on TikTok. The only minor drawback is that it's primarily optimized for MagSafe users, so those with older phones might miss out on its full potential. However, for $19.99, you're getting a premium quality, multifunctional gadget that enhances your travel experience. Whether you're flying across the world or recording your next viral video, the Listen phone holder is the ultimate travel companion. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.